Hi my friends. Lately I have had a lot of work and therefore I have accumulated a large amount of waste electrical cable. Now I plan to strip all this cable and extract all copper from it. There will be a lot of copper on this video, will be very interesting. Also in this video we will talk about metal prices as they change every day, and show you how much they pay me per kilogram of copper in Moldova at the moment. Be sure to watch the video to the end so as not to miss the most interesting. Happy viewing. Now I want to weigh all this cable, but first I need to put all the cables in bags, since it is inconvenient to weigh in this box. The total weight of the cable is 30 kilograms. From experience I can already assume that about 16 kilograms of copper will turn out. Now we will get rid of the insulation and find out the result. How much copper do you think will be obtained? Write in the comments. Let's see if someone can guess. First of all, I will sort out the thickest cables. I will clean them with an end knife and all the rest with the tool I made. Next week I will make a video about my copper collection. I will show you how much copper I have. I remind you that I set myself the goal of gaining 100 kilograms of copper by the spring. Let's see how close we are to this goal. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then be sure to do so, and also click on the bell so as not to miss this video. Now I will remove the upper insulation from this cable using this tool. I have about 2 hours of work, but for you it will be only a couple of seconds. We got rid of black insulation, and we got such a multicolored beauty. Now we will also clean these wires with a cone knife. But while you are watching the process, rate this video with a like and write a few words in the comments. Finally, I can say that the work is finished. I spent about 8 hours on this cable, but I am very pleased to see so much copper. Now I will bend all these wires so that they do not take up much space. In no case, do not switch further. We will carry out weighing and then show you the prices for metal in Moldova. I collected copper in such a huge bunch, very heavy, with one hand it is not possible to lift it with one hand, and now we will weigh it. At the beginning of the video, I said that it would be about 16 kilograms, and I almost guessed. 15 kilograms of copper came out from 30 kilograms of wires. It turns out that in electrical cables, copper is about 50% of the total weight. And now on the screen you can see the most current prices for metal in Moldova. This is an absolute record, there have never been such prices before. What are your prices for copper? Do not forget to write in the comments, maybe someone has a higher price, it will be interesting to know. And that's all my friends. Do not forget to click on the bell so as not to miss the video about my copper collection which will be released next week. And also I will be very pleased if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.